7 Herbal foods that may improve vitiligo skin tone. Vitiligo is a skin condition where patches of skin lose their pigment due to damaged or destroyed melanocyte. While there's no guaranteed cure, certain herbal foods may support skin tone improvement by reducing inflammation, oxidative stress, and boosting melanin production. Do you want to learn one weird trick to cure vitiligo in 45 days? Visit the link below in the description to learn more. Here are 7 herbal foods that may improve vitiligo skin tone, naturally and effectively. 1. Cerealia coralifolia, babki. Babki seeds contain sorolin, a compound known to stimulate melanin production. Used in Ayurveda, this herb is often combined with sunlight exposure to enhance pigmentation. However, it must be used with caution and under professional supervision. 2. Ginkgo biloba. This herb has powerful antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. Studies suggest it can slow vitiligo progression and promote repigmentation by protecting melanocyte from oxidative stress. 3. Turmeric. Turmeric's active compound, curcumin, helps reduce inflammation and oxidative damage, 2 key factors in vitiligo. When combined with black pepper, absorption increases, making it more effective. 4. Black cumin seed, Nigella sativa, rich in thymoquinone. Black seed oil may help stimulate melanin production and support immune balance. It's often applied topically or taken internally for best results. 5. Green tea, loaded with antioxidants, especially EGCG. Green tea can protect skin cells and reduce pigment loss. Regular consumption may support overall skin health and immune regulation. 6. Basil, Tulsi. Holy basil is known for its stress-reducing and immune-boosting effects. Since stress can trigger vitiligo flare-ups, basil may help by calming the body and supporting skin recovery. 7. Neem. Neem purifies the blood and supports immune function. Its natural anti-inflammatory properties can help create a skin-friendly environment for pigment restoration. Incorporating these herbal foods into a balanced lifestyle may offer support for those managing vitiligo. Always consult a healthcare professional before starting herbal remedies. Do you want to learn a unique, easy-to-follow simple-step plan to eliminating vitiligo and related skin disorders? Visit the link below in the description to learn more. Always consult with your doctor to get the best advice. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.